This may not work very well, but let me try. I'm looking at biodiversity here. I can't remember the name of this flower. I'm rough on I'm rough on remembering them year to year. But anyway, let's count the different environments. Starting on the left side, on the uphill side of that ditch, which is muddy because I was just hoeing it. I mean, there's a willow, there's smartweed on the left. On the right, it's not as thickly planted yet because I've been hoeing down. Then we come to the edge of the track that the pigs and I have been using to go out there, that path. Then the right-hand side of it, there's another willow. That's vervain there. That plant, here it is up closer. There's a couple of kinds of it. I really wish I could name all these plants, but I can't, not at the moment. There's a rose, probably a multiflora rose. I keep pruning it back. Another willow about to grow into a tree, that one too. These are going to grow into trees. Well, and then here's a second path, and there's the left bank and the right bank of it, and here's the next Zanja down, and there's the left, the upstream or uphill bank and the lower bank, which I usually call the breast. And so it goes. I mean, this, you contrast that to a wheat field, say, that's everywhere you see nothing but one species. Now there's more there, but that's what you see. And there's an apple tree. You get up to the fence and there's honeysuckle right there. All kinds of plants. There's milkweed. You might be able to see that. So I wander in a world of great biodiversity. That sort of hedge down there is also a willow, but that's a different kind of willow from these. I think these are black willows, but they might be weeping willows because there is a high weeping willow down there that was planted. There is the Dawn redwood, and behind it is the other one. Of course, there's alder down there along that ditch, a lot of alder. I've been cutting that back. So, I'm surrounded by biodiversity. I should maybe go on just a little bit more. Of course, the pigs. Inside the ditches themselves, there is great biodiversity as well. Now, there's tadpoles there. There's salamanders in season. I haven't seen water snakes up here yet, but they'll be coming. Those are two locust trees right there along the fence row. My cat, one of my cats. Walnut trees, the old ones here. Now see, that's just standing in one spot. There's a hickory. That really big tree down there is a hickory, shagbark hickory.